Electric vehicles are not just a trend, they're here and expanding rapidly. The Department of Energy predicts we'll need 28 million new charging ports by 2030. A staggering $273 billion is shifting from gas stations to innovative business owners who embrace EV charging stations. At Wallace Energy, we simplify the process. Our all-in-one EV charging solutions attract customers, increase foot traffic, and generate reliable revenue streams without the hassle. With federal, state, and utility incentives, your ROI can be realized in days or months, not years. For hotels, restaurants, gas stations, or retail centers, EV charging is more than an amenity. It's a profit center. Don't fall behind. Reach out to Wallace Energy for a free analysis and discover how EV charging can transform your business and boost your profits. Wallace Energy, powering the future of business.